Good afternoon to everybody. And today we will present a work to explain 3D mapping using a sensor array with drones. So to do that, the main proposition is use a microphone array and capture the drone sound to locate it, and with that make a stereo vision or 3D reconstruction of the ambient. And to explain the works, we will mainly focus on 6 topics. When the first topic is the related works, when we will expose the state-of-the-art points and explain the main papers that is in the lecture. After that, we will talk about a little about the problem definition, and just a minute. After that, we will talk about the problem definition, the constraints that is in this problem. After that, we will talk about a little about the solutions that we will propose to solve this problem, and after that, the following topic is about how we will solve this problem and respect the constraints of the problem. Mainly based on the methodology, when we explain pass by pass what we do, and the result what we will achieve went to right now. After that, we will talk about a little about the future works, that is what is possible make after seeing the actual results. So the related works we will divide in 3 topics. It's mainly Islam, that is simultaneous location and mapping, 3D mapping using cameras, mainly stereo video, and a little about the use of sensor arrays to Islam and to determine the direction of arrival. So we start with Islam. In Islam, we have first the 2 topics. The first 2 papers, that is really good papers, is the main point of the lecture, and everybody cite these guys. And in these papers, they talk about how to make Islam, what is Islam, what is the problems of Islam. The main problem today is the drifting error, that is when you're building a map, every error, the error of the next frame is equal to the sum of all errors of all frames that you already processed. And the last guy is talking about how to make Islam just using a camera, and he points this error of drifting. That's a really this is the biggest challenge to solve today. After that, we study a little about stereo vision, and it's using Islam in robotic applications. As the first topic, the first reference here, it's one of the best, the mainly papers where we define a proposition, that is the use of unsynchronized cameras for simultaneous location and mapping. In our case, just mapping, but we will use unsynchronous stereo vision to the mapping. So after that, we have a little of topics that is published this year yet, many of the ECCAR, that is a big conference. Let's talk about this problem. That is a really actual problem. That is, you have a lot to evolve in this problem. So after that, we will just as a base to build our systems, we have 3 papers that explain how to use